On Monday, Uganda will be celebrating her 61st independence from colonial rule. Despite celebrating the 65-year-old's escape from the colonial rule, Sharon Oyat, the Uganda People's Congress spokesperson, a party that shared in Uganda's independence, stresses that Uganda hasn't yet achieved a full statement of a free nation.
Now, being that it was a military government that took over, it is not something that you just wake up and say, okay, let us start from where we have stopped. We have been building the party, we have been building the country. Unfortunately, the environment in which Ugandans should be able to build themselves and should be able to liberate themselves, the environment is not as friendly as we expected at independence. So we are saying as UPC, yes, we see we have independence, we are celebrating 61 years, but of what? Independence but not freedom as a nation. So we are saying, let us have this freedom. Let us not just talk about independence and celebrate. The independence that UPC brought in 1962 is different from what we are seeing today.
This year's celebrations will be guided under the theme Sustaining a United and Progressive Nation, Taking Charge of Our Future as a Free Nation. Uganda People's Congress has expressed concern over the handling and implementation of this regarding the question of transition.
It is unfortunate that at 61 years of independence, Uganda is still struggling to achieve a full status of a free nation.
Arach also says that after the 61 years, Uganda is still struggling to achieve the status of a free nation. She, however, expressed the need to embrace unity as a major tool on which decolonization was anchored.
However, we need to trace and recognize the struggle for decolonization and independence, which was anchored on unity and can be divided into two principal areas. One, the primary resistance to colonial rule that involved our traditional leaders like Omukama Kabalega and Kabaka Mwanga, Chief Baliam, Akaki of Lango, and others in the 1980s and 90s.
Uganda gained its independence on October 9, 1962. Since the 1894, she was a British protectorate that was put together from some very organized kingdoms that inhabited the lake regions of the Central Africa.